Hi, hello to everyone. Today we're learning the rope of animation. What is animation is and main principles. My name is Sasha Dorogov. I'm former Disney animator. I used to work for Disney for 15 years and I show you how to do animation. So we will use a program. It's called Procreate. Let's start it. We will choose the size of the scene, right? You click on animation, assist, click on this. After that, go to brush library. You'll check, you see this sketching, find some calligraphy, stroke. Also, we can adjust the wideness, how the big. It's like, don't do too tiny. Make it really comfortable to make it sketches. First, we have to do scribbles. We first sketch keys, the lower keys and upper keys. After that, sketch a scribble, very simple. Don't care about clear or something, clean drawings, no. Make sure it's very, very sketchy. So, okay, center and a straight line, vertical line between these two points, which is, like I said, connected center of the weight. It's very, very important. Why? Because all balls positions, all the drawings supposed to be like underneath, right? You have to do this very, very simple and clear, but the center always, all the time, supposed to be on this line. After that, when we did this, we're supposed to be think the position when the ball is bouncing off the ground. Also, you see here, actually, to make it simple and feel the ground, next to the ball I put some shadow on the right side, you see? It's help you. It's help you feeling like really something, instead of draw, grid or something like this, just a simple shadow on a floor. Okay. Anyway, draw here the ball bounce, right? Again, you see the center of the weight when the ball is bounced and it's kind of stretched, right? Yeah, and it's supposed to be exactly on that line. Exactly. It's very, very important. Next, you see, we do the ball position close to the top. Think this way. When the ball is bouncing, right? Ball, it's on the top of the position. Its ball is slow in, right? And after that is slow out. That's the way we can see what's happened with the ball. When we see if we have something, marks on the ball or drawings on the ball or kind of squares, you will see that really on the top what everything ball has, right? When it ball's down in the position from the top to the end of his falls to the touching the ground, right? In this time you will not see details of the ball. That's very important thing. Think this way. All bouncing ball scene has 2 points. The point which you cannot see really clear the character, in this case is a ball, right? And the point when you just feel it, when the ball touch the ground and bounce. You see, it's very, very important thing this way. All good things in the future when they do this, that's always they have these principles. Some points you can see what's happened with the character, in some points you just feel it, because it's supposed to be contrast in any movement. See? Okay, anyway, you rough it. We rough it now. It's ball, it's enter to the end of the position where he's on the top, up in there, right? And after that, we're doing, you see this closer position when ball is exit from this position, from the top, right? It goes down. Again, very rough, very scribble, very simple. Don't care about clean lines. Don't do this, please. Think this way. You just need to catch it. Catch it. Very simple. Now we do this clean up. You see, clean up, clean up, clean up. Lines, make it very roundish, clear, simple. See. After that, goes down, down, down to up to the position when your cleanup is done. You have to take care about color it, right? Color it. Check good color. Check everything, and very important thing. Think about timing too. Try to do timing. Like I said, on the top, it could be slow in, could be 2-3 frames each drawing, and when it's stretch and squash on the ground and bouncing, it could be on once. That's basically very simple. Yeah, try to do this because it's very essential, very, very essential scene to understand. Think this way. It's not like you did this and you forgot about this. No. Any movements, any action, any gestures, it's include the same principles. That's why it's ball so important. And I believe you like what you see today. So, and if you like to see more, you can donate it on our Patreon, and you can really enjoy. We will show you more and more, and we'll show you simple way how to do it. Good luck.